Hello love, welcome back to my channel. I have a nice little Echo Park haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and get into this. Look at this goodies I have. And most of it was $3 to $5 except for one, which I believe this one here was $7. But everything else was $3 to $5. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what I bought. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this die set, and it is it's Hello Sunshine, and this is a die. Look at that. How cute is that? Now with Echo Park, they constantly have different sales, almost every week. I don't know how their sales go, but they constantly have a different sale. Almost, it seems like almost every other few days. So I keep getting an email, but yeah. And then I got this one because I do have this Nice Day paper kit. So I got this die set to go with that. And this one says happy, smile, friends, hello, and love. Look at that one. There's die set for that. How nice is this? And then this one went with the Paper Pad Summer. See that one there. Got that one. Let's see if I got any more dies. Okay, so the next one, the other die set I did get was this one. This one was the $7 one. And this one says love, hello, friends, thanks, and bloom. And look at those. That's actually real nice too. I got those. Now I was able to get some stamps also. Now these do not come with any coordinating die, but you have to fussy cut that if you want to make sentiments and stuff. But this one's a stamp set. I mean, stamps. And this goes with the Flora, one of the Flora kits. That. So you got some flowers. You do have some sentiments on there. Then how nice is that one? So that's one. And these ones were, let me see. The stamps were $5. So that's not a bad deal. And this one is, it goes with Nice Day. And then you have some smileys. You do have sentiments. Then you even have some other stamps too that goes with that. Look at that. What do they have in the back? Also gives you like ideas. So how nice is that? So if you got the paper pad, you even got stuff to make little backgrounds or add to your tags and stuff. And that one. And this one goes to the summer one. And this is just sentiments. You know that one? Real nice. I love it. So you got sunshine, thanks, hello, thank you, smile, love you, choose joy. Yeah, all kinds. All kinds. And then this one here is another Flora. This one says just for you, congrats. You are the best. Enjoy the journey. And then you do got some floral. That's another real nice one. And then this is another Flora. That. Do small things with great love. Thinking of you. And then you got some more floral, and you even have like little lines. So this would be nice to put like into a card or anything, even for tags, or just make sentiments and cut them out so you have them ready for when you do swaps or anything, journaling. And then I do have one stencil, which is 6x6, and I got this one because I do have the Nice Day paper pad. How nice is that? And right now, I don't know if the sale's still going, but the stencils were on sale right now for, I believe, $3, I want to say, give or take. But yeah, that is this was a little amazing sale I bought. So yeah, you need to check out, don't sleep on Echo Park, because they do have sales. Like they did have the 6x6 paper pads for $3. And every so many days they'll have a kit or a paper pad for $3 or a kit for $5. I think right now they had the basketball for $5. I missed the bee and I want to say the ladybug for $5. So yeah, don't sleep on it. So yeah, that is my little haul for today. Leave a like if you like the video. Leave any comments you have. Do subscribe if you haven't. I sure love to have you. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.